Emperor Ashoka ruled the Maurya Empire in South Asia from roughly 270 to 232 BCE, before Common Era. He is known for enforcing a moral code called the law of piety, which established the sanctity of animal life, the just treatment of the elderly, and the abolition of the trade slave trade. Okay, I do see the three items here. Okay, so but these three items would be the abolition, like nullification of the slave trade, and the treatment, and the sanctity. So item one, item two, and item three. Now, just because you have a list of items doesn't mean you go straight to the colon. Okay. If anything, you have to use a colon before in the independent sentences before you list these items. So that's not the case here because the blank happened to be after this one. So colon cannot be used. Semicolon cannot also be used because that makes the rest, anything to the right of this semicolon will become fragment. Okay, you use a semicolon. Okay, two cases. One, when you are connecting the two independent clauses, we're not seeing that. Two, when you have the list of items where there's a degree, where something is um, more general and more specific. And we're not seeing that here. These all three items happen to be part of the law of piety. There's no like priority here. So we do not use, or there's no other like non-essential element that describe it that requires a comma. So we don't need any semicolon here too. Okay. So choice A, life, the just, okay, we're missing a comma. Okay, to make it, to separate this list of items, we need a comma, otherwise it's confusing. So the correct answer should be D. If you read it, which establish the sanctity of animal life, comma, the just treatment of the elderly, comma, and when you have a three or more items, you do need the conjunction and at the last two items. So comma and the abolition. The correct answer is D, everyone.